This is the only shipping agent tutorial you'll ever need to watch. By the end of it, you'll know how to get any clothes, shoes, accessories, literally anything you can think of from China, except for 10 times to 100 times cheaper than normal. Without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. As you can see, we're on the USFans homepage. The link for this and everything else shown in this video will be in the description below. Before I show you guys how to purchase anything, I think it's important for you guys to understand what USFans is and to make sure you understand how it works. So USFans is a shipping agent, and they pretty much work like a middleman. They do not sell any products themselves. They simply just purchase products for us from Chinese sellers that we're not able to purchase from because most Chinese sellers don't offer to ship their items out of country to us directly. So USFans will purchase the items for us, store it in their warehouse, take quality check photos to show us how the items look, then will give us the option to refund it or ship it to us if we think it looks good. If you'd like to get $800 in shipping coupons and an additional 15% off every order, then make sure to sign up with the link in the description. It does slightly support me, but it mostly benefits you. Now that you know how it works, first, you'll have to create an account. Once you're logged in and verified your email, make sure to select your language and currency up here. It'll make everything a lot easier. After all of that, we can finally start looking for products. There's 3 main ways to find items. The first way is to look through the FashionReps Reddit page. Here, people usually post their hauls and items they find and will usually have the links in their post. So if you found a Weedian haul with an item you like, just click on the post, and sometimes they'll have item reviews up here or somewhere in the comments along with the item links. These links will either be a Weedian, TAOBAO, or 1688 link. When you find the link to the item you want, just copy it, then go back to USFans and paste it in the search bar. It'll pull up the item, and sometimes the picture here will be clear and sometimes it'll be blurry. If it is blurred or anything, don't worry, you will still get the item it's supposed to be. The seller just has to do it for copyright reasons. If the item is popular enough, you can use that same link and paste it into finds.ly to see quality check photos of the item. Here, it'll show you images of the item that other people have received in their warehouse, so you can see if it's good quality or not, and so you can expect yours to look the same. Going back to the item, you'll have to choose what color and size you want. Most of the time, items are true to size according to the brand, but just to double check, I usually copy the size chart and put it into ChatGPT along with my height and weight and how I want the item to fit on me. Then ask what size would fit. Once you choose that, you can select how many you want, then click buy now or add to cart. The second method for finding items is through spreadsheets. This is honestly my favorite method because spreadsheets are organized better and have a variety of items. I personally made one and put it in the description for you guys, and you can find it in my Discord as well. It's definitely worth checking out. I know you'll find at least a few things you'll like from it. Every item I added there I either personally bought in the past or seen a good review someone posted on the FashionReps Reddit. So every item on there is good 1-to-1 quality unless I say they're not. But as you could see, there's all these categories on here and I plan on adding new items every day, so make sure to bookmark it. But once you look through here and see an item you like, all you have to do is press the link twice and it'll take you right to the USFans item page. And it'll be the same exact purchasing process as before. So if you don't know your EU size, just look up Nike shoe size chart and convert your size to EU. And lastly, the third method for finding items will be through UPO stores. You can find a list of UPO stores on my spreadsheet right down here. UPO stores are like a Chinese seller's website. One big UPO store is ChaosMade. ChaosMade carries almost every single brand in every category of clothes. For example, if you wanted to look at gallery department, just go up here and find gallery department. They will have pretty much every gallery department piece here. Once you find one you like, just click on it and it'll have a Weedian link right here, then under it a size chart and more item pictures. You can copy this link and paste it into USFans just like earlier. Many UPO sellers will blur out the picture here, but again, if they do, don't worry, it'll be the item you put the link in for. And ChaosMade is not the only UPO seller. There are so many different UPO sellers, and I have a good amount listed on my spreadsheet, so make sure to check that out. Some sellers might only sell clothes, some only watches, some jewelry. It all depends on the seller. Now that you know every method to find items and have some stacked up in your cart, just go to your cart up here and select the items you want USFans to purchase, then just click submit. And I just want to mention this now, the price you see here is not the final price and they are not going directly to you yet. Once you click submit, they're going to go to the USFans warehouse and they will store them for you and take pictures of them for you. If the items look flawed or bad in the pictures they take, you can refund them. If they look good, you can keep them and store them for up to 90 days before you're ready to ship them to you. Depending on where you live and how big the package is, the price will be different. A small package to the UK might cost $25 and a really large package to the United States might cost $200. So that shipping price will be added on top of this price. If you want to see how much your items will cost to ship to you, you can use this estimator up here, then fill in the info. For the estimated box dimensions and weight, I usually just tell ChatGPT what items I'm getting and ask it how big my box will be in centimeters and how much it'll weigh in grams. Then just click search. So once you have all your items selected, just click submit. When you get to this screen, choose your country, then then check this box and then click submit. Then just put in your billing address and you can pay with either balance, PayPal, or credit card. Then just click confirm and pay. Once your items are paid for, it'll show up in your orders tab. And as you can see, I already ordered a lot. If this video gets 50 likes, I'll make a haul unboxing video showing all of these items and the quality of it. So if you'd like to see that, make sure to subscribe and join my Discord in the description. Also, all these items can be found in the spreadsheet. But there is a process once you submit your items. It'll go from purchasing to purchased to seller shipped to delivered, then finally stored, and USFans will show you QC pictures of your items. This whole process only takes around 3 days, so it's not that bad. Once you get the QC pictures, you'll have 1 week to choose to refund it or keep it. But once your item says stored, it'll show up in the warehouse tab. This is where you'll choose all your items you want to ship out to you. I had to wait a bit, but now I'll show you how to actually ship out your items. Just select the items you want to ship together. I do recommend shipping in bulk since it'll save you on the average shipping cost per item. But once I have everything I want shipped together selected, just click submit for delivery. When you get here, you'll have to put your shipping address, and down here you can choose what kind of packing materials you'd like. It's totally up to you, but I usually just get stretch film. Now you can choose your shipping line. It is different for every single country, but I usually just choose the cheapest option. Also, remember to use the sign up link in the description. The shipping coupons will make this so much cheaper. Once you choose it, you have to enter the tax declaration. If you're in the US, I usually always do $12 per kilogram and always round up. So if it's 4.4 kilograms, you do $60. Then just put the coupons you get with creating an account through the link. After all of that, just check the box and click submit. Then just pay like you did previously in the video. After you paid, the package will show up in the parcel tab, and this is where you'll find the tracking number in a couple of days and any information you need to know about your package. Once you get your tracking number, I recommend using 17Track to track it. That was a full-on guide on everything you need to know about using a shipping agent. I hope all of you guys learned something with this video. If you guys need help with anything throughout this process, feel free to join my Discord in the description. I'm sure someone or I will help you. Even if you don't need help, it's a chill place to hang out and you will get video updates. By the time you're watching this, there's probably a huge giveaway going on in there as well, so make sure to join. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this, and also the haul unboxing once this reaches 50 likes. Without wasting any more time, thank you so much for watching the video.